What's up, all of you all? Hope everyone is doing well. And today is gonna be a very interesting day because me and my friends, a couple of my friends, we are going to Sheikhupura to see Hiran Minar. And well, today we are gonna make it a vlog. The very first part of this is me going to Wavda Town phase 1, where I'm gonna actually get some sweets, and then I'm gonna pick up my other friend from his workplace. He works in a textile manufacturing facility here on the Defense Road. So in the meanwhile, I'll also take out my driving sunshades, and here we go. So these are the scenes. Right now it's 2:32 p.m. and inshallah we are gonna have a very good day, and we are planning to have the sunset at the Hiran Minar, which means the Deer Tower, DEER. So well, that's where we are headed to today. And well, one of my friend, his name is Mohsen, the one I'm gonna pick up from here. I used to work with me in a textile factory, Serena, where we used to work. And the other one is Saqib. He is a university fellow, and he also worked in Serena later on. So we have some common memories as well. So I already told Mohsen that we are going to do some vlogging, so stay ready for that. And just check out the greenery in Lahore. This is just a usual normal road, nothing too fancy about this place, but still see how green it is, even if you see on that side. So I might not record the whole drives like I usually do, because this is gonna be a POV vlog, and hopefully we are gonna get some momentum going on this channel, and then we are gonna make more of this stuff, inshallah, hopefully. I just need some format to work for me. On my TikTok account, this one in Arabic, it's working for me, alhamdulillah, really well. So I've got lots of love from people, and well, things are going fine on that side. So here we go. Let's see, if I go from here, how far would my friend's factory be? Let me just put it up over here. So it's gonna be 10 kilometers, and then till Sheikhupura I believe it's some 80 kilometers or something. Let's see. But we have to get the sweets from Bundu Khan, my favorite. Okay, so we could even go from inside Wavda Town. We can go from Pine Avenue. Okay, yeah, we'll see about that. Firstly, I'll go to the sweet shop, Bundu Khan. There was a time when I was in college, I used to commute on bus, and I used to come from this road to my home back there. So if I'm not mistaken, the number of the bus was 10 that used to come to Wavda Town. From it started actually from around the railway station, but it used to cross the city from several points, from even township and Quaid-e-Azam Industrial Estate, coming up till Wavda Town, and it even used to be coming from around the district courts here in Lahore. And well, finally there was a point over here. There used to be a bus stop. I'm not sure if the service it's not continued anyway, but this is the Union Council office right now. This used to be a bus stop here. So I used to drop off here, and then I used to walk back home. So that is quite a memory. I also have to meet another friend. I went with him to the International Visitors Leadership Program to the US. He also lives around here, so we're gonna spare time for that as well someday. So I'll end the video over here and I'll see you at Bundu Khan. Check out the sweets that they have over here in Bundu Khan. How beautiful this looks.